Hey everyone, it's Kiri here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new velocity templates. So, what you're going to do is go to your home screen and press the plus. Then click velocity templates. Now it's going to take you to your camera roll, so you're going to find or save a video of something and select that. So I've just got one of Charlie. Now, while it prepares, it will take you to this screen with a selection of templates. So once it loads, I'll show you. Okay, so similar to the other templates, there's a whole bunch of designs from many creators that you can choose from, and all of them have different designs, which I will show you. But what you can do is you can change the music to your song of your choice, and you can also trim the video if you only want a certain part. So say I want only her dancing. Then you just wait for it to load, and it's already made for you. So I'll show you a few of the templates. She popped it for the dollar. So that's one, and then if you scroll, you might be able to find different styles. There's some glitchy ones. There's some with some cool backgrounds behind, which I will show you now. Which is pretty cool how fast and easy this really is for such a good velocity. So make sure you guys check them all out. There are so many to choose from, and can't wait to see all your edits of them. See ya!